Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Danielle Naomi, and as you can see from the title, I'll be working with Asteria hair today. So Asteria hair went ahead and sent me this gorgeous 28-inch loose deep wave wig. It is in 250 density and it is a 13x4 HD lace frontal unit. This is what it's looking like, and I show you guys literally in under 10 minutes how to put this wig on with it 100% glueless. So this means at night you can take it off if it gets too hot for you, because it is 250 density, and the 250 density definitely lives up to its name. It is definitely really lightweight, and I speak more about this in the end of the video, so I'm not going to keep you guys for too long. So thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like to purchase off rip, which I would highly recommend because Asteria hair has some really good quality, durable, nice lace units on their website, which links will be in my description box if you'd like to purchase. And like I said, I definitely would recommend it because their hair is just wonderful. And I'm gonna stop rambling, so let's jump into today's tutorial. just wet the hair with water off camera, and I put this Dove hydration spa conditioner in there just so it can have some type of product in there just to moisturize it, quench the waves. This wig is from Asteria Hair, and they decided to send me a 28-inch loose deep wave wig. It is 250 density, and it is a 13x4 HD lace frontal wig, so it's 4 inches worth of parting space, and it's honestly giving like 5. And I'm loving that because Asteria always gives you a bang for your buck. You always get some really good hair with their wigs, and today we're getting length, we're getting fullness, and mind you, this hair is still pretty much half wet, so you are not seeing it in its full effect right now, and I'm definitely gonna have pictures taken of it when it is fully dried down so you guys can see it. But as for right now, it's giving freshly defined wet look, and I didn't want to do any dramatic baby hairs on the sideburns. I just wanted to keep them really nice and normal, so there's no little sideburn action, just these 2 swoops, because this is a middle part, and because the wig is so long, I'm not gonna really tuck it behind my ear. This is just what it is. What you have or what you see here is literally what you get. This hair is really nice and full. Like I said, it is actually lightweight and not too heavy, so this is perfect for your vacation where it gets humid, because at least you know it's not so much hair where it's too dense to function or it's too hot to function. So this is literally the perfect wig for you. So thank you so much to Asteria Hair for sending me this gorgeous wig, and if you'd like to purchase, the links for this unit will be in my description box, so definitely go ahead and check it out, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.